Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda, and I make videos on how to make money online and how to sell on Amazon and Etsy. So if you like those type of videos, please subscribe and keep on watching. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the time that my Amazon account got suspended. We are going to go over what happened and how I got my Amazon account back, and what measures you can take to avoid getting your account suspended, and if you do get your account suspended, what will happen and how to get it back. So my story starts back in January of last year when I got some competition on Amazon. And this competition decided to copy everything about my product. Only they read my reviews and then tried to make it better. So, that's what you're supposed to do when you're starting a new product on Amazon. So that's just what they did. But they copied everything from me. I was the first person on Amazon to make this type of product, and they copied everything. Well, that's fine and all, but then they started getting all of these fake reviews. They got 100 reviews in just a couple weeks. And by this time, I'm just so frustrated that they came on the scene. Now they're ranked higher than me. I was number one, and then they took over my number one spot with all of these fake reviews. So then I was just really not happy. I actually ended up finding them on a Facebook review site, and it just proved my point even further. So then what happened after that is my fiance took it upon himself to buy their product and then proceed to write them a negative review. And not only did he write them a negative review, he had two other friends of his who do not live near us write them negative reviews. So I was a little nervous about it because I've heard really bad things, that Amazon pretty much knows everything. So I was really nervous, but nothing happened. Nothing came of it. Well, then 2 months later, it was about in March of last year, this company came out with another product. So I wanted to leave it alone. We had left the reviews. I didn't want to do anything else. Well, then my fiance again bought their product and left another bad review. And I thought, okay, we shouldn't have done that, but let's not do it anymore. Well, then about a week later, I noticed my reviews stopped coming in. I usually got about 5 to 10 reviews every week, and I got 0 reviews. Nothing was happening in my review area. In fact, I lost some reviews. So I thought, okay, that's very strange. What is going on? But I just chalked it up to people getting their accounts wiped and just not leaving reviews. I didn't think anything much of it. About a week after that, I got an email at 8:30 p.m. saying that there was suspicious activity on my Amazon account and that they would be calling me the next day. Soon as I read that, my heart dropped. I knew I was in trouble. I was trying to be positive about it, but I couldn't help know that Amazon had found out what we had been doing. The next day, this really, really nice lady from Amazon called me. I picked up. I was a nervous wreck, thinking my account would be gone forever. I was done on Amazon. I was just thinking all the worst possible things. She was really nice on the phone, and then she told me there's suspicious activity on my account, and she wanted to know if I knew anything about it. And I told her I am not sure. There might be something going on with my reviews. And she said, I want you to be as honest as possible. The only way that Amazon will give you your account back is that you are honest and you tell us everything you know. So then that's where I started talking about, I think someone I know left a bad review on a competition's product. And of course she knew about every single bad review that was left, and then she needed to know more. And then she would tell me, I need to know everything. And so I slowly said, okay, well, I think he actually left 2 reviews. I pretended I didn't completely know everything. I was still pretending I was a little bit in the dark. And then she said, she seemed okay with that. And then she said, well, I need you to write a plan of action, and then Amazon will give you your account back. So basically, she was really helpful. She told me exactly what I needed to write in this plan of action. And she was very, very adamant that I needed to not hold anything back, that I needed to tell the complete truth, and that I really needed to focus on the preventative measures on how this will not happen again. And she was very adamant about this. So when I was on the phone with her, I took notes and I did my best to write everything exactly on what she was telling me. And yeah, so then I got off the phone with her and I immediately started writing my plan of action. The plan of action includes the root cause, which is what happened. That's one section. The second section is the immediate action. What needs to happen for you to get your account back? So my reviews, all of those reviews that are fake had to be deleted. So you need to tell Amazon who left the review, on what ASIN did they leave the review. You have to be very specific. Then you have to talk about your preventative measures and how you are going to ensure this will never happen again. So I spent 10 hours just going over every detail. I wrote it as really thorough as I could, and I was sure my account would get back. Well, so from that phone call into 48 hours, you have that time, and then after that time, your account gets suspended, and then you are not on Amazon, but you can get your account back. So I submitted that plan of action within the 48 hours. Then I am so upset at this part because Amazon did not tell me they received it, and then it got denied. And here I am still thinking they had not gone over it or anything. So I finally, my account ended up getting suspended and I was not able to sell anything. I went onto Amazon and I looked, and sure enough, it got denied. So that is one tip. So constantly check up on your plan of action, see where it is in the process, and if it had been looked at, if it got approved, or if it got denied. So once I found out that it got once I found out it got denied, I was just heartbroken. Here I am, my account is now deactivated, suspended, and here my plan of action just got denied. I was just heartbroken. So I called the lady back because she did give me her number and told me to call her if I had any questions. I gave her a call back, and she let me know that my preventative measures needed to be more specific. So when I resubmitted it, I wrote everything I possibly could. For the root cause, I wrote exactly what happened. And for the immediate action, I said each review that was fake that needed to be deleted. I wrote all the ASIN numbers, every single thing that I could think of. So there was about 3 total reviews on the competitor's product that needed to be deleted. And even on one of my old products that I sold a couple years previous, I had a fake review on that. Somebody, it was a good review on my own product. I actually told them about that too because I wanted everything out in the open. You tell them everything. And then for the preventative measures, you need to include that you will follow Amazon's zero tolerance policy. You have to include that, and you just have to just say everything that you will ensure these people have went over their zero tolerance policy, and you have to make sure that you tell Amazon that you will train each person that you will have to tell Amazon that you will train each person on Amazon's zero tolerance policy. And that is really what they're looking for with these plan of actions. They want to know that you will not do this again. And I really just went all out. I made sure to include everything. I will not break Amazon zero tolerance policy. I will train everyone on this. And you really, you go into details on that. And then I submitted it, and I was so happy because I was in fear that it would take weeks to get my account back, but it actually only took a day. The next day, my plan of action was approved and I got my account back. From my experience, Amazon really does want you selling on Amazon. They will give you chances. If you mess up, you just explain to them what you did that was wrong. You tell them the truth. You do not lie to them, because they want to know the truth. They want you selling on their platform because they're the ones making money, and they will work with you. You just need to tell them everything that they need to hear, and they will reinstate your account just like they did mine. And I was just elated when they reinstated my account back. So I am here to tell you that it sucks when you get your account deactivated and suspended, but you will get it back. You just need to go into extreme detail about what happened, why it will never happen again, and you don't lie. You just come clean, because Amazon knows everything. And I don't know how they know everything, but they do. That is my story on when my account got suspended on Amazon, and I am here to tell you that it's okay. You will get it back, and to just keep forging ahead. So yeah, thank you so much for staying till the very end, and please like and subscribe. I hope you learned something new, and talk to you guys later.